let's understand how do we send a test record in Calendly. Now you must be wondering, why do we need a test record in Calendly? Because it's asking for an API to us. So let's see, why do we need it? Suppose my first app is Calendly and the other say, let me say Sheets. Okay. So when you click here for Calendly, you can see it says instant. This means it's a webhook trigger. Suppose I said invite is created. This, let's create a row. Go. I'm just trying to keep it simple. So I'll just say no, just 2 steps. Now I have already added. If you have not, it's simple. Just add connection. It will ask for an API key. You'll just put here and continue. Okay. Now, since I've already added, I'll just say this is my. Now, if you notice, it says it goes blank. So we all must, we all get to thinking that, okay, there is some issue with Calendly. We are not able to get any record over here. You just need to fulfill a test record directly from the site. Now, let me explain how this happens. Our trigger says invitee is created in Calendly. So what we will do is we'll go to Calendly. You can see these are the events we have in Calendly. Suppose I say I'm going for this one. So I'll say copy link. You're trying to send a test record here. Please remember. So I'll say copy link. I'll open a new tab. I'll paste this. Okay. So I have reached the page, the same which your client will reach out when you share the link. What I do is I can see these are the available dates. Suppose I go for 15th. Okay, I want 11 o'clock. I'll say confirm. Suppose it's A and B. The email suppose is, sorry. Okay. I'll say schedule event. Now it has been added to my calendar, it says. So I'll go and check my email. As you can see, it says that it has confirmed the meeting. Now get back to Integrately. Click on refresh data. And you can see the record has been fetched. You may assume that if you have created an event in Calendly, it will give you a record here. But please note that the trigger is invitee is created. So invitee is only created after somebody schedules an appointment in that event. Just creating event will not give you the trigger record, because we need invitee. Same goes for cancellation also. If somebody, if I go back to this email, if I say cancel, then this record would go to my second trigger where I would have said invitee is cancelled. So please make sure that you not only make an event, you also send a test invitee. I went here, picked up any of the events, opened it in a new link and perform the actions like an invitee actually would. So this is how you need to actually have an invitee, not just the event. I hope this helps. Thank you.